Now is a good time to collect seed from your favourite tomato varieties, and particularly if they're heirloom, it'll save you a lot of money. Make sure the choice is fully ripe, and if it's damaged, so much the better. Cut the tomato in half, scooping out the seeds and discarding the flesh. Put the seeds into a sieve and wash them thoroughly under a tap to remove the gelatinous covering. Then spread them out onto a kitchen roll, label them, and put them somewhere to dry. And then when they're thoroughly dry, they can be stored in a paper bag or envelope ready for sowing next spring. By this stage of summer, leaf crops like chard or spinach are bound to have a number of damaged or decayed leaves, and these are a magnet for slugs and snails. So go through, removing them all and take them to the compost heap, and as well as reducing slug and snail attack, it will greatly improve ventilation. For most of us, lavender has finished flowering, so this is the time to cut them back. By clipping them regularly, you keep your lavender bushes nice and dense, but don't cut into old wood. Sometimes they fail to regenerate from this. If you do live in a very cold area, perhaps it's best to leave this till next spring, as the spent flower heads will add another insulating layer against cold.